Wonderful good morning, friends. Welcome to a new trip to, first of all, Europe for one night. And after that, we will fly to Asia, to Singapore and Bali. Will be a crazy trip. This time not alone. I'm with my best friend.
Let's go!
Yeah, enjoy it. We now have to get a metro down to Athens. It's about 20 euros for a 3-day ticket, and we can drive from the airport to the city center and back, and we can use public transport there. Yes. We made it to Monastery Hägi in Athens. Next to this metro station is the brunch factory. We will have a breakfast here, and after that we will go to our accommodation and check in. After that we will start the whole plan of the day. I hope you like it. Okay. We are walking to our accommodation for this night. We are able to check in earlier as planned, or as the check-in time. We are picking up our key for our apartment. Does it look like it's this one? And then, let's go and check it out. We made it to the apartment. It's really nice.
It's awesome here.
Good simple bed, the TV, really nice shower, as you see.
Rain shower over there.
And a normal toilet. Yeah, everything you need for one night. We'll chill a little bit now, and after that we will go to a wine bar and enjoy some delicious Greek wine. We were at a wine bar. After that we went to a really nice rooftop bar with a really good view on the Acropolis. Now we are at a traditional hotel. Now we are at a traditional restaurant, and we will try kebab, traditional kebab from Greece. And how was the dish?
The dish was awesome. We are fucking drunk. Let's go to Acropolis.
We are on the way to Acropolis. We are here at a small store to see Acropolis. Views of the city. Yeah, Acropolis will be different, nice. Hello guys, we are really sorry for the bad audio quality. We had to leave the microphone at the entrance, but we got a free entrance ticket for Acropolis. I think because we are under 25, this was on the ticket. I don't know, she just wanted to see our IDs. Yeah, and now we are walking up the Acropolis. You like it?
Free entrance is always a good thing.
Yeah, it's worth to leave the microphone. Guys, we are in the next attraction for free because of our ticket we got at the Acropolis. We can get free inside nearly any attraction, so it's nice, but it goes in 10 minutes, so we only have a short time, but yeah, enjoy the footage.
Yes, of course.